Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you share your Instagram story you have posted to your Snapchat story. You can do this thing by two ways. You just have to switch on your Instagram story save option. You can just save your story in your mobile phone and then you can use it on your Snapchat story. But whenever you will save any story from any Instagram story, there will be no music and no sound in that if you save it from your Instagram story. But the second step is to switch on the setting which will automatically save your all the stories into your gallery which you ever post. How can I enable this setting in my iPhone? You can just go on your story like this as my story that will be auto saved into my mobile phone. I will click on the three dots of here on the right bottom of screen and then simply share as post. You can send this link to anyone and then you can save this story and like this, clicking on this button on the save, and then it will be saved into your gallery. After that you can just post it on your Snapchat story. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.